award for Best Supporting Actor for his performance as the Joker in The Dark Knight.
Okay, all right, well.
In 2006, at least 6 men staged Britain's biggest bank robbery, stealing $92 million American dollars from the security deposit.
There you go. They got you here in prison forever on this.
And then also, on this day, in 2006, this is Coldplay and their song Speed of Sound. So on this day in 2006, iTunes sold its billionth music download to a 16-year-old kid named Alex of West Bloomfield. He bought the Speed of Sound by Coldplay. Later that day, he got a call from Steve Jobs, and he won a lot of iPod and Mac stuff.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
So the 1 billionth download on iTunes was Speed of Sound by Coldplay.
Very cool.
Good story. Appreciate that very much. 805 featured audio clip has to do with the big tech censorship. And there's a Republican lawmaker weighing in on the U.S. Supreme Court, of course, heard the case yesterday. He's written a book called Crushed. We talk a little bit about free speech. We'll have that for you at 805.
Great. We'll also talk about companies finally understanding that when people don't like their boss, they leave. And as a result, they are looking for new job skills for those roles. And LinkedIn does a big thing every year where they talk about job skills. We'll talk about the job skills most in demand.
Building a better Sacramento. KFBK News Radio. 93.1 FM. 1530 AM. An iHeartRadio station.
Download the free iHeartRadio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts. It's been 8 years for me since going solar with Aztec Solar. Kitty O'Neill here. Knowing how much I'd save was very important, and if you'd like a fast, easy way to calculate your solar savings, visit yourpowersavings.com. That's yourpowersavings.com. And here's a timely offer. Aztec is offering a solar panel system for just $99.95. Cash discount after incentives, conditions apply. And remember to see your solar savings at yourpowersavings.com.
The credit union philosophy of people helping people extends beyond our branches and into the communities we serve. Hi, I'm John Paymer, Chair of the Credit Union Sacktown Run and CEO of Diablo Valley Federal Credit Union. I invite you to join credit unions from around the state for the annual Credit Union Sacktown Run coming up on Sunday, April 2nd. This is a great event for the entire family, and you can choose between a 5K, a 10-mile run, or even a Miracle Mile course for the kids. The fun begins at Capitol Mall with the Miracle Mile taking off first at 7:30 a.m. Proceeds benefit the UC Davis Children's Hospital. These funds cover the cost of care, programs, and cutting-edge research that otherwise may not be available. The Sacktown Run is growing every year. Come help us break last year's attendance record. Run, jog, or walk for the cause. There's still time for early bird rates if you register today. For more information or to register, visit runsacktown.org. That's runsacktown.org.
Do you owe the IRS over $15,000? Has your paycheck been garnished or have the IRS levied your bank account yet? Is your business at risk because of payroll taxes? Might owe the IRS $437,000. You settle for $15,000. Harry owed the IRS $340,000. The IRS sent him a refund of $7,600. My name is Mike Pinole, best-selling author and CEO of Sacramento Tax Revolution. The IRS is enacted a special tax relief program that allows to settle your entire tax debt for up to 85% off the amount you owe, including penalties and interest if you qualify. We wanted to take your case so much we can help you guaranteed. Our work is 100% guaranteed. To schedule your free tax debt consultation, call 916-619-3220 now. The next 6 callers get a free tax debt analysis with $1,500 done. Call 916-619-3220. That's 916-619-3220.
This person's from S&G Carpet?
You know, let's go to shopping center floor. Because I think you're telling me I love my floor sale this month.
Well, maybe I should get new flooring too.
You should, Grandpa. That flooring I got for 20% off. And I can do a pair of hair stuff.
Mike off and S&G pays the sales tax?
Mom wants new carpeting bedroom.
Yeah.
Dad's thinking waterproof core in the kitchen.
You gonna flip it and put it on the market?
No, there's a six in the sixes.
Yeah, well, there's that.
They figure if S&G is giving 20% off and paying the sales tax.
Better to stay and make home improvements?
Yeah, simple economics in a downward market.
During S&G's Love My Floor sale, save up to 20% off select flooring, and S&G pays the sales tax. Plus, get their no surprise guarantee and promise to beat any written estimate by 10%. Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you. Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
Kevin James live, the Irregardless Tour. I was in Atlanta at the airport waiting for my bag, and this woman asked to take a picture, and I was like, sure, no problem. And she takes out her iPhone, and she just holds it on me. She just holds it on me right there, and I'm just standing there. She's video recording me from a foot away. Like I'm a panda at the zoo.
Friday, March 31st, the venue at Thunder Valley. All new and all incredible. The venue at Thunder Valley. For tickets, visit ThunderValleyResort.com.
KFBK, Sacramento, BKFM, all times news, traffic, and weather.
KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Top of the hour. Good morning. I'm Sam Shane.
I'm Christina Mendoza. A blizzard warning now in California as this next system is set to arrive, bringing low snow, rain, and lots of wind.
And a huge human trafficking bust in California puts almost 50 people behind bars.
The Supreme Court could take...